Hello everyone, this is Matt Hoots with Sawhorse, and I've got this new Baldwin lock with a smart key rekey technology. I'm going to follow the instructions and show you step by step how this works. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that the key is north and south. We're going to put the key that came with the lock set in and turn it 90 degrees clockwise. So it's going to go this way. So right now that it's perfectly 90 degrees clockwise, we have this smart key, and this is what came with the rekey technology set as well. And this goes in, and there's a little slot right there that you push it in, and when you do that, it pushes the cylinders up slightly. So now that it's in that position, we pull this back out. So we pull the smart key out, and we also pull the original key out. Very slowly. So next, we're going to stick the key. Now, again, since this is a Baldwin, you can only use KW1 keys. So either a quick set or a Baldwin key. You can't use a Schlage or anything else like that. An SW1. So this goes in, and then instead of turning clockwise, we're going to turn it back all the way. We're going to turn it counterclockwise. Okay, we put it in, we've turned it 90 degrees. Now it's set for the new one. We're turning it back and forth to make sure it actually does work. You don't want to pull out the new key until you make sure that the lock set works. So put it in, try it again, and there you go. So the new key that we're keying it to works. The old key, if we put this in, does not work. So the key that came with the lock set no longer works with it because we're able to use this smart rekey technology to allow the new key to work. Now we bought this for the handle set and the deadbolts. We're going to go ahead and do this to the deadbolt as well. And once we have both of them rekeyed, we'll install them. And now all the keys in the house are keyed the same.